In this video you will learn how I made 1,300 bucks with only $50. And most importantly, after this video you can repeat the same result literally in 5 signals. And more details, go to the video. On OTC payouts are good everywhere, so I suggest you start just in order. Australian Canadian dollar, 92% payout, go to the booster bot and choose AUDCAD, .cashier expiration time 1 minute. I get a signal to sell with interest on a successful trade, 96 excellent interest, and right from here I open a trade for sale. I will go to the full bank and I am interested to make an experiment how much from $50 I will be able to earn today. Great, the first trade brings me $46. I'll open the next trade for 96 bucks. Choose the euro-dollar trading pair. I go back to the trading bot. I choose the euro-dollar and the time for the deal is 1 minute. I get a sell signal again, but the percentages are lower, 88, and I go into a sell trade right from here. And I earn $88. Great, I'll open the next trade for $184. I've already doubled my deposit, almost quadrupled it. British pound, Japanese yen. I get a new signal, I select. This pair and the time to trade is 1 minute. I get a buy signal with an excellent percentage of 91. Right there I open my buy trade. And why such a great possibility of the booster bot? And I will remind you, 9 out of 10 deals closed will be in the plus, because the OTC chart consists of different parts of other charts, and the booster bot perfectly reads this information and makes an analysis of this chart, which is why you can safely trade on weekends and at night when all the major markets are resting and they're closed. Great, that trade closed in the plus side and brought me $170 of profit, and I have already increased my deposit 7 times, so the next trade I will open for $350, Euro Swiss franc. I click on get a new signal, I choose this trading pair, and the expiry time is also 1 minute. I get a sell signal, but already with quite small percentages, 79. But let's try to work it out. Right here I open a sell deal, I do the experiment with $50. But I do not advise you to repeat this because it is quite risky, and with one mistake you can lose your entire deposit. That's why I advise you to open at 15, 25 or 30%. It's a good percentage in order to make a quick profit, but at the same time not to risk your deposit. Great, this deal brings me $322. My balance is $675. And I offered to open a deal for the same amount on the Australian dollar, Swiss franc. I get a new signal. I choose this trading pair and the time for the deal is 1 minute. I get a buy signal with a good percentage of 87, and right from here I go in for 1 minute. So I have increased my deposit more than 10 times. And you can see how easy and simple, and most importantly very quickly, it is done with the help of a bot booster. He will not trade for you, but he will do the analysis for you. You will have to choose a trading pair, expiry time and the amount you want to open your deal. Very simple actions that lead you to success. Great. The last deal brought me $620. And as you can see on my balance is already $1,300. Although I initially had only 50 bucks, you can exactly the same repeat the same result. Without taking any risks, just follow the link in the description, register on the platform, activate the bot. For this you will need a Telegram account and you do not need anything else. Activate the bot, get a signal from it and enter the trade. And on this you will earn good money on weekends and at night when all other markets are sleeping. So all useful links I will leave in the description, and also you will find there a link to the support account which will answer all your questions. If you have such questions, that's all I have for today. I wish you a huge profit.